I've been using glycolic acid for about a month now, and I want to review it for you guys. I want to share my thoughts on it. We all know glycolic acid, 7%. It's an exfoliator. It's from The Ordinary. It has been trending and trending and trending for years, if not months now, and I definitely wanted to try it. I love everything skincare. Anything that promises to help with hyperpigmentation and discoloration, I'm there. You read the directions. It say apply once daily, ideally in the evenings. Please do not apply this once daily. Apply this once a week, not daily, or 2 times or 3 times a week, depending on how your skin reacts to it. Personally, I've been using it once a week, for the most part 2 times a week, but you have no business exfoliating your skin every single day. It's not that deep. Glycolic acid does have active ingredients, so you are exfoliating the top layer of your skin. So I would not advise that you use this daily. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not to persuade you to buy this product, but I'm just simply sharing my experience. I am not a dermatologist. I'm just a girl that loves skincare, and I'm in the quest to clear up my hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So I'm just sharing the products that I use with you guys. If you find this video beneficial, great, but speak to a medical professional. I'm not that, okay? So I've been using this product on my skin, on my face, as well as on my neck. I do have discoloration on my neck. I don't know if you guys can see that. I do have discoloration on my neck. My chest and my face does not match my neck. So I've been using it on my face as well as on my neck in hopes to even out my neck. And some people use it on their elbows, knees, anywhere where you would have discoloration, right? But tikumu, honestly, it is not that deep. A lot of people use it in their underarms. I did try it for my underarms, and I just didn't like how it felt. It stings immediately after you use it, and I feel like underarms are such a sensitive place. So I tried it once and I was like, this does not feel good. So I'm not doing it again. But honestly, the fact that I have dark underarms does not bother me, honestly. I'm black. My body is not going to be the same color. My skin tone is not going to be the same color. So that doesn't necessarily bother me. I don't mind waving and my armpits are darker than the rest of my body. So, but I do want to lighten up, or try and lighten up my neck so that it matches the rest of my body, because if I'm wearing makeup, I feel like my neck becomes way darker. It's not bad right now. I think you guys can see it. It's not bad right now, but when I do wear makeup, my neck does become a lot more darker. So I would love for my face to match my neck. I don't know if that's realistic, but I've been trying it and I do see a difference, but it's a very, very, very small difference. It's nothing drastic. Granted, I've used this now about, I'll say about 5 or 6 times in the past month, because I am using it, like I said, once a week. Also, you must use it at night, not during the day, at night. This is an active ingredient. It's an exfoliant, so you can't use it and be exposed to the sun, otherwise you're gonna burn and chances are your skin is gonna become darker, so you don't want that. Use it at night, and then in the morning make sure that you put on sunscreen to protect your skin. In terms of my skin, again, I've been using it about a month on my skin. I still do have discoloration on my skin. I feel like the people that have been making videos about this product, they make it sound like it's gonna be like a magic eraser for dark spots. Like they make it sound as if you see results immediately. That has not been the case for me. Again, all of our skin tones and skin types are different, but like I said, I still have a long way to go. So yeah, I still have a long way to go. This is still fairly new, so I'm going to continue using it, but I still do have dark spots. I still do have dark spots, guys, but I must say I have seen a difference again, a very small difference at that. I can't make a conclusion. I am going to continue using this for until this bottle is finished, or I'm gonna use this until I see results, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how I feel about it. But for the time being, it did not perform any miracles for me. I went in with high hopes, thinking that it's gonna clear my skin within a month, but that is not the case. But my skin is a lot more evened out. But I definitely do see a difference on my neck. My neck is still dark, but it's not as dark as it used to be. A very slight difference at that. So I'm going to continue using this product, and then I'm going to see how I feel. But when I do use it, it does sting. It did sting the first time, and I thought, great, that means it's working. That's very toxic of me, but normally when I use a product and it stings, when I use it for the second, third time, it does not sting anymore. But this one, every single time I use it, my skin, I do get that burning feeling. I do want to try more of the ordinary products and just pair them with this glycolic acid and see maybe if I'm gonna see a massive difference on my skin. But I haven't had any reactions. This is very, very gentle to my skin. My skin is definitely more even, and the biggest thing that I've seen with using this product is texture. I'm someone that has very, very textured skin, especially around my T-zone, especially in my nose area, and that has drastically improved. Makeup sits so much better on my skin because my skin is not as textured as it used to be, and I think this product has everything to do with that. Another thing to avoid when using glycolic acid is you must avoid your eye area. So you can't use it too close to your eyes, because this is glycolic acid, keyword acid, so don't use it in the most sensitive parts of your areas. So that is why I stopped using it under my armpits after one use, because this is literally acid. So you don't want to risk getting burnt by the product. So I would stay away from this area. This is the most sensitive part in our face, so stay away from putting it there. It's very, very important to hydrate your face after using it at night. So if you do use it, use something that is very, very hydrating, that will hydrate your face, because this thing does strip your face of its natural oils. So it's very, very important to put that moisture back into your skin. So a few takeaways from this video: you must use glycolic acid only once a week, not once daily, once a week. For the most times, 3 times a week being 7 days, depending on how your skin reacts to the product. Don't use it every day, please. Takeaway number 2, use it at night. Don't use it during the day, stay away. This should be part of your nighttime skincare routine. So that's takeaway number 2. Takeaway number 3, you need to moisturize after using glycolic acid, because it does strip away your natural oils. So you need to replenish moisture back into your skin. So you need to use a very, very, very good moisturizer, or an oil, something that is very, very moisturizing, that is gonna nourish your skin straight after using the glycolic acid. Give it a few minutes for the glycolic acid just to settle in your skin and do what it needs to do, and then put on a really, really great moisturizer. And then the last takeaway put on sunscreen. So the next day, make sure that you wear sunscreen to protect your face from the sun. Reapply the sunscreen after 3 to 4 hours if you can, or use makeup that has SPF if you do a makeup, but it's very, very important after using glycolic acid to put a sunscreen on, or you can undo everything that you've just done for your skin. So you don't want to burn. This is an acid, it does burn your skin, so your skin becomes more sensitive to the sun. Even if you're at home, you must use sunscreen because the UV rays are there even if you're at home. So those are my 4, if not 5 takeaways for this video. Also, if you guys have used glycolic acid at home, please let me know how it's going. What was your experience? Are you still using it? Please, 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 please do let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.